First question, what is Canva exactly? Canva is an online graphic designing website with tons of ready-to-use templates and DIY design facilities that help boost your online presence. Is Canva easy to use? The drag and drop feature of the website makes it completely user-friendly. Even if you are a new one in the designing zone, you will still find Canva as an easy interface to create your designs. Now, what is there in store for you in Canva? You can either use Canva to create from scratch or use ready-made templates to create posts, stories and ads for Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. Design videos or reels fit for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest or just any video. Preparing eye-catching presentations at work or brainstorming on whiteboards becomes a lot easier with Canva by your side. Students and teachers can use Canva to create and print project documents, lesson plans, worksheets, report cards, flashcards, newsletters, and even certificates. Design flyers, posters, logos, business cards, and websites and make your life less complicated when trying to figure out how to promote your business online. And if that is not enough, you can also design wedding invitations and postcards. Now, isn't this super cool? Now, these are only a few of the various design features available on Canva. The real list is exhaustive. How can you use Canva in your team? Canva enables you to share your designs with the rest of your team members, making it an absolute delight to collaborate and receive feedback from others. Can you import images and videos into Canva? Absolutely. Canva allows you to import audio, image and video files inside it and design things the way you like. Does Canva come free? There are two versions of Canva available, Free and Pro. However, the free version itself is equipped with a generous number of features that you can use extensively for creating unique designs. It's quite possible that you will not feel the need to move to the Pro version at all. I have used the free version to create this video. Does Canva also come in an app? Of course, Canva app is available both for Android and iPhone users. Canva has also started incorporating AI apps into it, making content creation an exciting and a learning experience at the same time. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you to get an overview of what Canva can do for you and why you should include this designing tool as an integral part of your day-to-day content creation. To explore more about Canva and how to create designs, click subscribe and keep watching this space for more updates.